the noiseless click wireless computer mouse. This mouse gives you privacy. You can even be in your bed and use it and your partner does not hear a click. This mouse is slim and portable, has wireless features, ultra thin in size. The link for this product will be in the description below. This wireless mouse is compatible with your laptop, MacBook, desktop, PC, and notebook. Has a streamlined and ergonomic design which offers your hand a comfortable fit. Uses one pen light battery which is not included. Comes with a removable USB nano receiver to plug into your laptop, MacBook, or your PC. This noiseless mouse keeps you stay focused without disturbing others. Has a long battery life, no need to change the battery frequently. Comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless transmission which allows you to work from a distance of 32 feet, 10 meters.